In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for flexible dates on Google Flights. Start by opening Google Flights in your browser. You'll land on a clean dashboard where everything you need is right up front. Trip type, passengers, cabin class, your departure and destination, and dates. Think of this as your control panel. Before you dive into prices, set the basics so Google can show accurate options. Choose whether you want a round trip or a one-way journey. Round trip is best when you know you'll be returning to the same airport, while one-way is useful for open jaw or multi-stop plans you'll book separately. Next, set the number of passengers. Be sure to include everyone traveling. If you're adding children or infants, this helps surface the right fares and seating rules. Choose your cabin class as well. Economy typically shows the widest range of prices, while premium, economy, business, or first will narrow results to those cabins. Pick what fits your comfort and budget goals, so the fare calendar reflects the right cabin from the start. Now enter your route by adding your departure city and your destination. As you type, Google will auto-complete common airports, making it quick to find the right match. If your origin or destination has multiple airports, choose the one that's most convenient. Don't worry too much about exact dates yet. The flexible tools are designed to help you discover the cheapest combinations. Click on the departure date field and select any rough date to open the calendar. This is where the magic happens. The calendar view shows prices for different days, often color-coded or labeled so you can spot lower fares at a glance. Scroll through months and compare prices across different days to see patterns. If you can shift your plans by even a day or two, you'll often spot meaningful savings. After you've found a promising window, click Search to load available flights. At the top of the results, open Date Grid. The grid lays out multiple departure and return combinations, making it easy to see which pairs are cheapest. It's perfect for testing a Friday versus Saturday departure or nudging the return by a day. Next, click Price Graph. This visual shows price trends over weeks and months and highlights the cheapest travel windows. Adjust the slider to see how prices change over time. Finally, try flexible trip lengths. Google may suggest presets like a one-week trip or a weekend. Toggling these can quickly reveal better priced stays. And that's it. With the calendar, date grid, and price graph, you'll pinpoint the best flexible dates in minutes. Happy searching and safe travels.